Hey everyone, Jamie here with Originality AI. Just introducing our new custom ChatGPT prompting tool. So it's going to be a short tutorial on just how to use the tool. So the first thing you're going to come across is this big form, but if we scroll down a little bit, we'll notice these prompts here. And this is typically how most prompts come. They have an area where you insert your own content. So in this example, the industry that you would like the prompt to focus on. So for our tool, instead what we can do is at the top here, you can fill out as many items in this form as you want. It's going to fill out all of them. And if we scroll down again, we'll notice that it's actually populated every single prompt. So there's roughly 200 prompts in here. So each of those now will be populated with the information that you inputted there. We can also filter these prompts by industry. So if we wanted prompts focused on business, we can enter that there. And we can clear those filters just by clicking this button here. We also have a dark mode for your convenience. You also notice that you can like and dislike prompts. So if we scroll down here, I'll give this one a like. This is really helpful for other users and us to figure out which prompts have been useful and effective, and then potentially remove those that haven't been. So we've made it really easy to copy the prompt. So just clicking the button there. We can take it into ChatGPT and just paste it in here. And if we scroll up to the top here, we'll notice in the top right hand corner, there's a suggested prompts button. So we just need your name, email, and the suggestion prompt and the category that it falls under and the potential source that you got it from. So that could be yourself. You could have used ChatGPT to generate it. It could be from another website and you want to bring it to ours. Anyway, that's it for the tutorial. Please check it out. Let us know what you think. And thanks for watching.